Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making stewed cow foot. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Thyme, scallion, onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, assorted bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, sesame oil, seasoned salt or purple season, parsley flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper, black pepper, paprika, ketchup, browning, soy sauce, garlic soy sauce, allspice pimento seed, butter bean, salt, and cow foot. I'm gonna chop my vegetable and herbs, and this is the garlic. Don't have to be diced or minced in any special way, but just for your own liking. Okay, now this is my ginger, and this is about, I would say, 1 tablespoon of ginger. And I did 6 garlic cloves. So moving forward, as I said before in my prior video, that the recipe will be added to all my videos moving forward. Now the ginger, I don't like it to be grated, but it's fine with me. I don't want to be chewing on it too much. So then this is half of a large onion. So, and again, no specific shape or size. And then this is a medium tomato. And this is assorted bell peppers. And reason for my bell peppers really is just for the decoration at the end of the meal, or not the meal, but the cooking of whatever I'm cooking. The color, and mostly love to see colorful food. And if you notice that in my videos, all my videos, there's some sort of color in there, because I just love different colors in my meal. So that's the reason for it. So I usually place it in the pot maybe 2 to 3 minutes before the final process of the meal. Now this is the scallion. 3 stalks of scallion. And for the cold foot, I'm not gonna add these herbs and veggie in there until the cow foot is like maybe 95% finished, because it takes a very long time to cook. I'm not gonna burst the scotch bonnet pepper. Cow foot takes, in the normal cook settings away from the pressure cooker, it takes like 2.5 hours to cook. And usually, well, you can put it in the pressure cooker and then it will eliminate a lot of those time. However, the cow foot is less expensive on the cow and the hardest to cook. So you can either cook it and a low steam, or you can just speed it up with the pressure cooker. And I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Stay tuned. About maybe 3 hours ago, I placed the cow foot in water with vinegar, and now there is not well, I chose the cow foot that doesn't have those black stuff or any extra hair in it and stuff like that. So all that needed to be done right now is to wash it. So that's what I'm doing. So let's start the process. Some more water in here. I guess this is it. Now I'm gonna season it. These are the pimento seeds, and I place it in this grinder or mortar. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crush it to season, put it on my cow foot. And the reason why I use so much is because this is gonna be used as a tenderizer for the cow foot, because it took so long to cook. I'm gonna put some of all of this in there. So that's it. Now, this is a sauce, and I call it the Jules cow foot sauce. And this will be in the recipe as well. And I use this. I'm gonna use this to pour on my cow foot. Now, all the powdered seasoning are combined in this bowl, and I'm gonna use a little portion of it to season the cow foot at this time, and the remainder will be used later. So let's stir it up, and the measurement gonna be in the recipe as well. From this tray with the herb and the veggie, I'm gonna just use a little thyme, and some of the scallion, and the garlic, some of the garlic, okay, and the ginger to season my cow foot. Now I'm going to use my hand to rub it in. Usually, the marinating process can be done like 2-3 days before preparation, before cooking. However, if you're going to do it 2-3 days, then you're going to get a bag, a Ziploc bag, place the cow foot in there, close it, and put it in the freezer. If you're going to do it overnight, then you put it in the regular part of the fridge. And if you're going to do it a couple hours before cooking, then you just cover it and let it marinate for a couple of hours. And this is what I'm going to do today. Okay. This is ready. I'm going to put a little like a teaspoon of sesame oil in the pot. Then, and this is gonna be like the searing process for the cow foot. And let it put a little turn it. And during the cooking of the process of the cow foot, you have to keep on stirring it because it easily gets stick to the pot. So what we are doing right now, trying to stir it before you put it in the pressure. Cover it for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes then I will remove it from the fat and put it in the pressure cooker. So stay tuned. I'm gonna stir the cow foot right now. It's just in the searing process, so I'm not gonna add any water to it. I'm just trying to get the color to be a little brown before I pressure it. I place it under a medium high blaze but it's catching the color right now. And this is what I'm looking for, the color, because I don't want it to be all white or just pour the browning in it. I don't like it that way. So that's the reason for my sauce. I'm gonna cover it for another 5 minutes and then take it from there. Now it's 5 minutes and I think it's ready to be transferred to the pressure cooker, because it took like about 2.5 hours to cook on a normal pace. So I'm happy to place it in a pressure cooker to save time. And the measurement of the water, you just pour water as you go. Amount of water. So now I'm going to put it to my pressure cooker. In this bowl, which all the remaining of the seasons from the cow foot, I'm going to add some water, about a cup of water or 2 cups, and pour it in the pressure cooker. Maybe 3 cups, not 2 cups. 3 cups of water. You don't want to put too much water in there. Here. I'm gonna let it cook with all these seasoning. I'm not gonna let it cook 100%, maybe 75% in the pressure cooker, and then I pour it back into my original pot. And then this way I'm gonna put all my seasoning and the remaining ingredients in it. So I think that water is gonna will be okay. And I'm gonna pressure it for about 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna open it and take a look at it to see how soft it is, and if it's okay, then I will just use as is, or if it's not, then I'll give it another 5-10 minutes. This is after 45 minutes in the pressure cooker pot, and now I'm gonna add the remainder of my ingredients. So it was pressured for 45 minutes. Okay. Now I'm gonna add all my herbs, remaining of my herbs and veggie in the pot. And it's like about maybe 90% cooked, so the remainder 10% will be the finishing part of it. Maybe 10-15, add another 5%, 5 minutes. Do this, and then I'm gonna add all my powdered season as well. Maybe a little bit of half a cup of water. I'm gonna add to the veggies. I also had my butter bean. And we're gonna add my scotch bonnet pepper. And this is where I'm going to add also my parsley flakes. One tablespoon of parsley flakes. Now I'm going to cover under a medium low heat for 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, you just have to keep on stirring away, and until I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes, and that's our stew coat foot. Okay, this is the finished product of my cow foot. So now I'm gonna turn the stove off and plate it. This is the final product of my stew cow foot. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!